Multi-level list numbering is very useful for numbering your headings. For example, I want to apply numbering but just to my headings. So let's bring up the Styles task pane just to clarify our headings. From the Home tab in the ribbon and in the Styles group, click the Styles dialog box launcher. This immediately tells me I've got headings 1, 2 and 3, and they're the ones that I want to number. What I'd like to do is click on Introduction, and from the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click the Multileveled List button. Here are a number of styles. Now I can't choose these styles because they don't mention headings, but I can choose these styles because they mention the headings heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 in grey. So this is what I'm after, just to number the headings. I'll click this option here because this is the most common one. Immediately my heading 1 for Introduction is named 1, and as I go down to the next page, my heading Background is also a level 1 heading, so it's given the number 2. History is a level 2 heading, so it's given the number 2.1, and Divisional is a level 3 heading, so it's given 2.2.1. So this is multi-level list numbering. Now often we want to modify the numbering, so what I'm going to do is click on Background, and from the Home tab in my ribbon I'm going to hit the drop down on the Multi-Level List button and define a new multi-level list. What you have on the left hand side are 9 levels, and that's because in Word at most we have 9 heading levels. I want to modify first the level 1 numbering, so I'll click on 1, and then what I want to do is add a full stop after the number, so I'll press full stop on my keyboard. And in the preview you can see there's a full stop after the number now for my heading 1s. To modify a heading 2, I'll click on level 2. Here I can see that it's carried the 2 from the heading 1 and given it a new number afterwards. Now that new number, I may not want 1, 2, 3. I might decide I want ABC, so I'll choose ABC. Immediately you can see I've got an ABC for my second level numbering. I might also decide that I need that second heading is indented from the left 1 centimetre and that the text is 2 centimetres from the number. And you can see the changes in my preview. I might then click on level 3. Level 3, I might decide to change the number style from 1, 2, 3 to lowercase Roman, really just because I can, to show you what you can do with numbering. I'll decide that that particular heading should be indented 2 centimetres from the left margin, and that the text following the number should be 4 centimetres from the margin. I could continue to modify levels 4 to 9, but I'm actually not using headings 4 to 9. I'm only yet using headings 1, 2 and 3, so I'll stop customizing at that point. When I click OK, I can see that my heading 1s are numbered with a full stop, that my heading 2s are 1 centimetre in from the left margin and now have a capital A and a capital B, and my heading 3s are now, let's just double check that, are now 2 centimetres from the left margin, and the text is 4 centimetres from the left margin. So multi-level list numbering is very handy, and you can apply it to just headings.